Everyone. So today I'm going to give you a little bit of acknowledgement on how you can use our option flow, our equity block, and our unusual options activity channels to your advantage if you were looking to swing a particular stock. Okay. So every day during power hour, meaning the last hour of the trading day, towards near the end of the session, I'll go into all of these channels, right? And let's just say I did my due diligence, I did my charting, I like Apple the way it is right now, and I'm looking to swing this stock, but I just need that extra edge, that extra push to tell myself, hey, maybe I'll get into this trade, right? And I'll go ahead and execute this trade. Well, from that being said, I will go into the option flow channel first, right? I'll go ahead and click Control F or Command F if you're using a MacBook, and I'll go ahead and type in Apple, that ticker, AAPL. Go ahead and click enter, right? And you can see all the details that kind of pop up here that were in the trading day for Apple. Of course, this is all in real time, but I'm making this recording on a Saturday, which is why it shows yesterday. And of course, it shows you all the details, showing you that your Apple calls that were bought again at 9:48 a.m. on the Eastern Standard Time, and expiration at June 18th to 2021. Okay, 140 strike price. That gives me some insight saying, hey, look, there are some smart money flow that are coming in and institutions saying, hey, they want to swing this stock as well, meaning they have a correlated or a parallel decision of what I was looking at into Apple as well. Now, again, I'm going to do the same thing into equity blocks. Now, in this channel, this is mainly more so towards the investors or people who want to buy common, stock into Apple, right? Or into any certain stock that's been shown here. Okay, but we're looking at specifically Apple. So again, we're thinking about swinging Apple, and we want to see some reassurance to see if institutions are also buying Apple. Again, which there were as well. And it shows you the exact spot, quantity, and time of when the Apple shares were bought. Okay, now using all this information to give yourself some extra edge to tell yourself, hey, okay, now I will swing Apple because it gives me that extra edge, telling myself, giving me that confidence saying, oh, there are also institutions buying this common stock. That's one. And also they're buying, longer dated call options in Apple. Okay. Again, do the same thing with unusual options activity. Within this channel, you'll kind of see, either very, very out the money contracts would kind of trigger some unusual options activity, or not. Within Apple, and look, there is, which not surprisingly, because Apple closed at around $120 or $121 per share or something like that. But here's a $140 strike price within Apple expiring the June 18th. That was unusual to have because it's 20 points away from it. Same with this one right here, 130 strike price call options in Apple. Spent around 200K on premium just for this trade itself. So this kind of, lets you gauge the market activity to see what these institutions are buying, right? So I do this every single day, like I said. During power hour, if I'm not actively trading, looking at this real time, and I just log into my Thinkorswim or my trading platform, and I'm thinking, hey, I'm liking Apple here for a nice setup to swing. Let me check out, the three channels that we have available to see if that there are also other people that agree with my same conviction or bias of what I want to swing in Apple. Okay, so this is something that you can use, and I do strongly recommend everyone use this on a daily basis. It helps you, gives you that extra edge while you're trading, and as well, it kind of boosts your confidence to see that there are other institutions buying this as well. Okay, and that is it.